A Day in the Life of a Social Climber, Simba Edition. So, here na kami sa church because magsisimba kami because it's my ate's birthday. So, as you can see, sobrang sala ng simbahan. I can't even. Now, magka-pray tayo. Here are the candles that I've lit. Pagtapos ng simba, we're walking because we're gonna eat. And gutom na kami. Smile pa kami dyan, pero gutom na talaga. So here we are at McDonald's. Hindi ko na pala napakita kung ano yung in-order namin, pero gutom na talaga kami dyan. Just may pa-design na sila for Valentine's Day. Single! Ay, joke lang pala. Here, may pa-TikTok pa. Oh, yan siya. Eh! So, dumating na yung order namin. Gutom na talaga kami. Hindi niya na mapigilan. Kinuha niya na yung fries. Tapos nagre-reklamo pa sa kanina dyan. As chika-chika. Anyways, this is the end. Happy birthday!